What's up, mates, and welcome back to the channel. And have you ever watched one of your friends having a massive win in crypto while you've been sitting on the sidelines like an absolute idiot? Well, that's how many people are feeling right now about Ethena. It's been on a major uptrend for the past month, rising by an impressive 130%, and many people in the industry are now feeling that dreaded FOMO. And the question becomes, is now still a good time to buy, or has the train left the station? And today's video will follow the usual structure, and we're going through the following. So what is Ethena? What are the tokenomics and unlocks like? What's the on-chain data looking like? Where's the volume happening? What's the open interest, funding rates and liquidations like? And then we're going to finish up with some technical analysis and price predictions. So what is Ethena? And Ethena is a DeFi project that invented the stablecoin USDE. It offers staking and yield farming opportunities for DeFi heads like myself, and the current yield on USDE is 11.95%, which is impressive by traditional finance standards. And the project is backed by Ethereum and perpetual futures hedges to maintain that $1 valuation without the need for traditional banks and traditional finance. Moving on to the tokenomics and unlocks. And the tokenomics of Ethena unfortunately are not looking so good. Only 40% of the total supply has already been unlocked, and we're going to have to contend with weekly unlocks until the end of 2028. 13.5% of the unlocks are yet to be even decided, and it's not the end of the world, but when we compare Ethena versus non-inflationary tokens, then they're going to have a big advantage against it. And a lot of the unlocks do go into the ecosystem development, whatever that means, but the team and investors are also going to be receiving on a monthly basis. And it's something to keep in mind if you're thinking about investing. Demand is going to have to keep up with supply into the future, or the price will crash, which is almost guaranteed to happen when the bear market does start. Moving over to look at the on-chain data and looking at the TVL on Ethena, and at first glance, things are looking really good. The TVL is surging in terms of United States dollars, but when we switch that into in terms of Ethereum, we can see that the TVL is stagnant at best, and in reality, it's probably declining slightly. So far, we've seen that the token is inflationary and that the TVL is not really increasing in terms of Ethereum, and that's not exactly where I want to park my life savings, to be honest, but I'm not sure about you. So where is the trading volume on Ethena actually happening, and what's actually driving this rally in the price? And this ain't looking too good either, guys. This has mainly been a futures-based rally, and that's people betting on the price with leverage. So when we look at the spot volume on Binance, it's currently sitting at 280 million, while the futures volume on Binance is sitting at over 1 billion. So the price rally in Ethena does not really look sustainable. Looking at the open interest, funding rates and liquidations, we can see that the funding rates are positive, and after the recent pullback, we do have space for those funding rates to increase a little bit more, but we're not really seeing anything about market direction from looking at that. Open interest is following the price. There's no real divergence and nothing really to gain from looking at this one in terms of price action. And the liquidations, we have some shorts building up as the price dropped over the previous couple of days, which may suggest an opportunity to buy the dip and a rebound in the price, which I think is actually happening right now. And looking at some technical analysis, and Ethena has been trading in a range recently, and it's currently got an 80% upside potential until it reaches the top of that range. So there is some potential upside. And looking in terms of Ethereum, we can see that Ethena was doing well when valued in Ethereum until Ethereum started rallying about 1 month ago, and Ethena has been in a steep decline against Ethereum since then. And there's nothing really to suggest that Ethena is going to turn that trend around and start outperforming Ethereum in the near future. So overall, I think Ethena is actually a great product, but I don't think it makes a great investment opportunity just due to all the tokenomics and everything else that's going on with the token. So for now, for me, I'm not going to be investing in this coin, and I probably suggest that you don't invest in it either. And that wraps up today's video, and if you did like it, make sure you hit the like button down below, hit that subscribe button to the channel, it really pushes us forward, and also join the free community on Telegram, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace!